Hello everyone, this is Satya Nikhil. You're watching me on my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about a subscriber's question on why do we feel lazy and why it is important to not feel lazy. I wanted to highlight that. He asked me why do we as people feel lazy, so that is the topic for today. As always, let the intro begin.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga.
So let's talk about it. That why do we actually feel lazy? So one of my subscriber messaged me on Sunday. He was asking me, भाई like why do we actually feel lazy? भाई किधर से हमको ये laziness ना किधर से आता है? From where does it come and why is it important? हम काफ़ी ज़्यादा वीडियोस है जो देयर दे से दैट वाई यू शुडंट बी लेजी एंड हाउ टू नॉट बी लेजी, बट क्यों हम लेजी फील करते हैं ना, मैं उसको कवर करना चाहता था. सो फर्स्टली वी आर कंफर्टेबल, वी आर यूज्ड टू बीइंग कंफर्टेबल. सो लेजीनेस क्या है? व्हाट इज लेजीनेस? लेजीनेस इज व्हेन यू वांट द टास्क टू बी फिनिश्ड. Any lazy person, he wants the task to be finished, but he doesn't want to spend his energy, time on doing it because he hasn't done it before or he doesn't possess or show any interest in doing it. That is laziness. And the relation between laziness and comfort zone is very close. If you are constantly in your comfort zone, you are not able to do anything else except in that sitting in the couch or watching web series or just living your routine life, and you're not able to do anything new and you feel that you are lazy, it is because you are consumed in your comfort zone. Being comfortable, when you're too comfortable, it is when you become lazy. So first of all, comfort zone is the word I'm going to use. So try to follow me on what I'm telling you. When you are in your comfort zone, you should remember one thing, that there is never enough comfort. You can be comfortable for 365 days, you will want another 365 days of comfort. You might be comfortable for 3 years, you will want more comfort. There is never enough comfort. How much ever comfort you get, you want more and more of it. Let's highlight that. Laziness, I have translated it into comfort zone. Comfort is never enough. How much ever you get it, you want it more. Now, if you are always in your comfort zone, if you are not keeping a leg out of your comfort zone, you are actually stopping your growth. Because I am going to tell you the importance of discomfort here. Discomfort is the first step to momentum, whichever way it is. See, I hear a lot of people telling that I am not interested in doing something, that is why I am not doing it. See, interest जब आता है जब नहीं आता है डिसाइड करने के लिए, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट डू इट. किसी भी चीज़ को करने के लिए इनिशियल स्टेप होता है डिस्कम्फर्ट. मुझे ये ट्राइपॉड ला के इधर लगाने के लिए, अभी रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए थोड़ा बहुत डिस्कम्फर्ट फेस करना पड़ता है ऑन द फर्स्ट डे. सेकेंड डे इट विल बिकम अ लिटिल ईजियर, थर्ड डे इट विल बिकम अ लिटिल ईजियर. इन द सेम वे, पहला दिन ऑफिस जाना इट विल बी अ लिटिल डिस्कम्फर्ट. पहला दिन जिम जाना इट विल बी अ लिटिल वे ऑफ डिस्कम्फर्ट. इट इज़ लिटिल डिस्कम्फर्टेबल. इट्स वेरी अनकम्फर्टेबल. It's not in your daily routine. It's not in what you do regularly. So of course it is hard. It is discomfort. But when you constantly practice the nerve of discomfort is when you will face the momentum, the resistance which will push you to be change. And change will be, if you are resisting change, you are resisting your whole life. You need to change, you need to resist change consciously. If you are ever resisting change in your life, that should be out of doing it consciously. If you are resisting change unconsciously out of laziness, then you are resisting your life. You are resisting momentum in your life. You have to step out of your comfort zone. Laziness एक बहाना है. You are just telling that you are lazy, but the fact is you are used to being in your comfort zone. Sitting in the couch might be comfortable, but understand there is never enough comfort. तुम जितने भी साल comfortable हो और ज़्यादा comfort चाहिए होगा. You are never enough comfortable. And discomfort is your best friend. It will help you get some momentum. By whoever you asked me this question, you didn't want me to tell your name in the video, so you feel lazy because you're used to being in comfort. Even I felt lazy when I was in a comfort zone. But when you take few hits in life, when you take few chances, when you pick up few opportunities, when you experiment new things, you'll face discomfort. The starting few days of doing something new, whatever it is that you are doing, the starting days are always hard. But once you get used to it, once you are used to that resistance, you will push through it and it will become your comfort. Your comfort zone will expand. First day gym jana is hard, but someone who is working out since 3 years, it's very easy for him. It's the easiest thing to do for him. It's a habit for him. His comfort zone, it is in his comfort zone. जितने ज़्यादा चीज़ें, जितना ज़्यादा डिस्कम्फर्ट तुम एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, उतना ज़्यादा तुम उस चीज़ में कंफर्टेबल बनते हो. If you're feeling discomfort while you're studying, if you're not comfortable to study, try to study first. First few days is uncomfortable, but when you push that resistance, when it becomes comfort, that is the source of laziness. That is understanding comfort zone properly, understanding how your brain tricks you in the comfort zone. It will help you come out of laziness. See, your brain doesn't care if you are moving, if you're having your momentum, if you're fulfilling your dreams, if you're doing what you like. It only cares about your happiness. If you are constantly satisfying it, if you're constantly giving in that hit of the dopamine with sugary food, with good online content, with that, it will not question you. It will question you when you try to put some discomfort on it. You have to control it. You have to show it the direction to go. Laziness leads you to dependency. एक चीज़ बहुत keenly observe करो. हर कोई lazy इंसान, every lazy person, he wants to get it done, but he will not get it done because he is not willing to put time and energy, and he is in his comfort zone and he doesn't want to take a step out of his comfort zone. Okay, that is why someone is lazy. Now, if you keenly observe, it will make you depend on other people. When you are lazy, you expect people to do that thing for you. You expect people to work with you, associate with you, do more of the work, and just get that done without you involving in it, without you taking part in it, without you taking action in it. So laziness will make you a dependent person. You observe keenly, when you're lazy, you don't take enough opportunities. When you don't take enough opportunities, you will always wonder what is there in that other side of the thing. What would have happened if I've completed it? तुम्हें एक fear भी आएगा. When you be too lazy for so long, you will face fear as a big hurdle. तुम्हें कुछ नया चीज़ें करना मुश्किल बन जाता है, बहुत मुश्किल बन जाता है. When you are lazing around all day, doing something small productive things will seem very hard. This is the number one reason you should stop being lazy. This is the number one reason you should understand that why you are lazy. You should understand the complex behavior of your head, that it doesn't care about your growth. It only cares about that hit in its head. It only cares about that high feeling. It only cares about that spike in the dopamine. That's all. That's all your brain cares about. It only cares about survival. You need to force it to care about something more. Nothing to lose, man. Nothing to lose being uncomfortable. It is hard, but you learn new things. So, in this video, I tried my best to casually have a conversation with my friend. So, as he asked me in a very friendly manner and he wanted me to say it simply, keep the video simple, because he wanted it to be simple, so इसलिए I answered it very simply. और थोड़े perspectives है, this is not the only way to look at it, और बहुत ways है देखने के लिए. We'll surely talk about it in the future. If you have questions, if you want to know my opinion, if you have anything worth sharing also, do come to my DM and share it with me. I'll share it with my audience. बहुत help होएगा. जो भी लोग देखते हैं, मैं बहुत interest से देखते हैं, तो it will surely help them. And I've been working on something called Story with SN, which is going to come very soon, and please take part in it. If you are wondering what is it, I'm going to put a video link here in the cards. Please take part in it. It's something very special for me. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace, and let the outro begin.
I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my god, if I die, I'm a legend. When they